Hi, Dr. Joe here with Mountain Journey, here to review a product that I've actually been looking at and have wanted for a long time. This is a CBN diamond wheel, and it will fit on my 6-inch grinder, and I'd like to just go and install it and talk about the benefits of this. It comes in this very nice package. I have a 6-inch grinder. It comes in 8 inches as well. But these wheels are really something. They're beautifully made. They're very, very heavy duty. They're finely machined and have an extremely true edge. So I'm going to replace a Norton stone that I have on my ball door grinder here with this new CBN grinding wheel. So to get started, the first thing I'm going to do is unplug the grinder. Okay, that's safe. And I'm going to take these wheel guards off. They're held in place with some slotted screws that cut into the cast iron of these shrouds. These wheels are heavy. I'm interested to see how long it takes the grinder to get these up to speed. This is a ball door grinder, 1/3 horsepower, and it has really nice ball door lights, which are protective as well. I will take these shields off, these covers, because we're going to need access to both wheels to take it off and to tighten it back on. These are cast iron. These are pretty substantial. So we'll take the other one off as well. Now we have access to both wheels. This takes a 3/4 inch nut, and this is reverse threaded on this side and forward threaded on this. So I loosen this up by grabbing the other wheel, and we'll take this off. This grinding wheel had some bushings, as you can see here, but there's one left on the shaft. I'm going to try to heat it up a little bit and see if I can get it to come off more easily. Oh yeah, that helped. There we go. Great. So now we're ready for our wheel. The wheel comes with a number of adapters, and we're going to try to select the one that is ideal for this application. So we have a number of choices here. going to be it, I believe. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to clean off the spindle shaft of the grinder here, just to be sure it's nice. And then we've got these bushings. We'll put one on each side of the wheel. They fit like this. Here's this one. And that's all the way there. Then we're going to use a spring washer that has just a small bend in it. And we want the cup side toward the bushing. And then we're going to replace the nut. This will snug it up and prevent any chatter. Alright, there we go. Now, before we turn it on, let's put these guards back on, just for safety. And I'll just loosely tighten these 4 screws until I get a good, really good position. On the grinder. It clears it just fine. These are my one-way tool rests. Very nice product. So we'll snug these up and then give it a test run. Okay, here we go. I've got to plug back in, and it's not turning. Why is that? Alright, I want to get this flange off so I can put this grinding wheel on, and I thought I would just put a gear puller on it. Gear puller didn't quite fit, but then I just wiggled it and I'll be darned, here it is, came off. So let's put these bushings on, put the wheel on. Oops. And have the flange toward the wheel. There we go. There we go. spring washer. We'll just snug that up. I took it off. I wanted to be sure, absolutely positive I didn't cross thread it. There it goes. We'll tighten this up. And then we'll put our shroud on it. This should fit fine now. These screws go into cast iron. You have to be cautious not to strip them either. Look at that. Look at that turn. That is so great. All right, let's give it a spin. Nice. Nice and smooth. This Balder grinder is great. It's got a very, very high quality motor, heavy duty cast iron, and a wonderful new grinding wheel that is beautifully balanced and smooth. I think this will be very, very useful.